Okay, so we at my mama's house, y'all, and honey, you know, they act like they don't want to help me today because they put on that Christmas tree. So I'm gonna cut my own wig off. Y'all wish me luck. If I cut my hair, just know that it's my mama's fault. So y'all get ready to say bye to the wig now. Y'all know I bragged about this wig all honey for a minute. She's still beautiful. All that, but she gotta go. It's time to switch it up. Time to change it up. Oh, ready? Okay. So we finna cut right here. Listen at the end now. Talking about what she need. Oh, hold on, boo. Make sure that's thread, because if they cut my out, I'm trying to cut my little wig. Need it, okay? Woo-hoo-hoo. Baby, we free, baby. Period. We done took that wig off, baby. When I tell you, ooh, I mean, I just feel so free. I mean, dang, if you want to be bald headed, just say that. Anyway, okay, so y'all, I'm going to you know, wash my hair and stuff and get it re-braided back down, and then we're gonna head home to my house, and we're gonna go ahead and dye our bundles for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys once I make it back home. Bye. All right, guys, so we have made it home. We are about to color our bundles that I told you about when I was at my mom's house. I put my wig back on because, you know, I ain't want to be looking too crazy. Y'all, I've been looking ugly, but it's okay because the glow comes. Okay. So I actually got these from the wig store, y'all. I have never ever used this before, but we're gonna see what it's about. This is the Bare and Natural 100% Virgin Human Hair Lace Closure and Bundle Zoom. So it comes with a closure and 3 bundles. It comes with an 18, a 20, and a 22. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the closure. Of course, I'm gonna come and let you guys see the closure. So this is the closure. It's supposed to be a HD closure. It came with the hair or whatever. So this is what it looks like. That's a 4x4 lace closure, you guys. And the reason I'm dyeing the hair black is because it comes in like a natural brown color, and I just like black better. But I've never used this before, so hopefully the water method works on this hair. I just got this from my local beauty supply store. Alright guys, so we're going to use the same hair dye as we used the last time. I'm using the brand Adore. And the color that I'm going to be using is Black Velvet. This is a semi-permanent hair color. So it's not permanent, it's just like a rinse. But to me, this lasts longer than like a regular rinse. It is a regular rinse, but you get what I'm saying. So, yeah. So this is vegan and cruelty-free, so... Alright guys, so I boiled my water. It's still hot and steamy. I'm gonna go ahead and put both of my hair dyes in here. And then I'm just gonna take a spoon, stir it up, make sure it's mixed in there very well. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my first bundle in here and dip it. Well, dip it and just kind of swirl it around. Ooh, it's gonna be black. It's gonna be black, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna just put the whole thing in there. So I'm gonna dip this, swirl this one around, and dip, dip, put the whole thing, swirl, dip, dip, put the whole thing. Closure time. Swirly swirl, same process. Dip, dip, whole thing. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna let this, oh, I need to turn my time on. I think it's 15 minutes. Turn my timer on. We're gonna let this sit in here for 15 minutes. Take it out, wash it out, and then we'll be done. All right, guys, so the hair did turn. It turned black, and you guys are just gonna have to tune in to tomorrow's vlog to see exactly how it turned out and how I'm actually gonna have it styled. And I did mess up my nails in the process, so all right, guys, see y'all tomorrow.